Looking for the best pocket knives? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 pocket knives on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Victorinox Classic Swiss Army Pocket Knife. 7 features include a blade, scissors, nail file, screwdriver, key ring, tweezers, and toothpick, making this a great pocket knife and multi-tool. Blade and attachments are constructed with Swiss-made stainless steel to ensure durability. A classic Swiss Army knife with 7 functions that are useful in a wide range of situations. Trusted brand. Blade is only a little over 1 inch long. This is a compact pocket knife. At number 2. Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops Folding Knife. This durable pocket knife has a 3.1 inch, partially serrated blade made of black oxide, high carbon stainless steel, perfect for cutting through rope, boxes, or coarse fishing line. An aluminium handle built with a textured material and grooved finger pattern makes for a comfortable grip. The low cost of this folding pocket knife is no reflection of the high quality materials it's made of. Best for everyday use. Not equipped with a spring-assisted opening mechanism, so the blade must be opened manually. At number 1. Kershaw Clash Pocket Knife. Equipped with a stainless steel blade that is partially serrated, making it ideal for opening packages or cutting rope. The glass-filled nylon handle boasts a speed-safe assisted opening system, along with a secure locking system, keeping the blade in place while in use. Clip it where you want it with the reversible pocket clip when you're done. A great pocket knife with a classic folding design and a 3-inch blade to fit your basic cutting needs. Users noticed the opening and closing mechanisms became stuck over time and needed lubrication to work properly. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.